What up, guys? Arizona Shaker here. We got some snow. Like, no joke. Ranger's buried. Well, not really buried, but you get the point. Papa's Duramax is buried. Not really, like I said. But that's some pretty good snow. At least, what? 16? No, not 16 inches. Shit. Yep. That's my boots. 5-6 inches of snow on the deck. I don't know what it is down there. Oh, sorry to haven't been updating a little bit. It's just been a while. Busy with school and shit like that. Look at that. Less snow. I might have to put the chains on, I think. And I don't think I have my window scraper, do I? Oh, good thing the sun's starting to work on this side for me. I think this is like the first time in a while truck's been under snow like this. See if I can't find my keys. Oh, put them in my pants pocket. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. It's too much snow. I know Matt might do a video on snow drifts. Knock off the feet. Get in. Close the door. I feel like it. It does feel weird being in here with all the snow on here. Take these out. If you guys want to send me a new set of chains, I think these are a little too big. But when I get done, you guys can show me and say, no, it's not, Bill. Or no. Should I use this as a windshield scraper? Yeah, what the hell? What's it gonna hurt? Oh, Ram flag. Got from Chapman Auto Center. Shout out to them. They gave me a big Ram poster that says Guts Glory Ram. All of it. And also got a window sticker that goes right on here. On your windshield. Right here. It says America's longest lasting pickup. Save that until I get a Dodge truck. But whoops. Don't want that on. Yes, I know it doesn't have glow plugs, but I do it because it makes me feel like I have a diesel. There she goes. She fires right up like a dream. Take a look outside. Holy crap. Even the bed is full of snow. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh. Stay on. She don't like the cold. She's saying, fuck you, Bill. That's what she's saying right now. She says, fuck you, Bill. Here's some fuel. Hey, where are you? You gonna stay on? Okay. Good girl. Shit, now it's time to work on that shit. I got the damn flag. As far as I know right now, I just barely got off of the phone with Matt right now. I know my windows ain't clean, but still, this is just to get the little bit off, so easier for the heater to melt the shit. I'm bored. Well, yeah, that's well, update, kinda, sorta, cold start, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna have it on there as a name, as a cold start, but kind of an update. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and don't forget to leave a comment. I do read them because, like, I'm just starting YouTube channel, and I like to know who's watching and what you guys think. All that. I might do a video of me putting on chains, but this is my first time because really my whole family has 4-wheel drive trucks. So this is gonna be fun. You guys get to watch me fail, and I get to learn. But I'll have to have someone hold my phone for me. But anyways, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. I don't know what else to say. Bye.